Today I'm going to be reviewing AA Auto Accessories 6-inch 4-pack gold-plated ultra compact ribbon guitar pedal cables. I'd like to thank them for sending these to me to review. This is what it looks like. Very small, so you can get those tight spaces for your pedals. And I'm going to put some pictures up here. There is the end, gold-plated, best cables that you are going to find. They're Kevlar reinforced, 100% OFC shielded. The biggest thing is if you need to get these cables into small spaces, especially with like foot pedals and stuff like that, this is the way to go. They are really small, very flexible, so you can see you can fit it in between spaces like that. Very flexible, but they're not going to break. These also come in a bunch of different sizes if this 6-inch one doesn't work for you. Also, a lot of people don't know that these come with a lifetime warranty. This does really well on Amazon. Not only is it an Amazon choice, it gets 4.7 stars, and it looks like people are keeping these. I'm not seeing that these are getting returned, and they say they've got 1 million customers that are using their cords. I can tell why. They are really nice. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.